So guys, and welcome back to Anyah Safari Land. So there's a big turtle back there. So it's turtles. We have turtles over here. We have snakes in my school. This is the agriculture land, and yeah, so I'm gonna carry a snake. First time ever me holding a snake. And so I'm back. I'm gonna hold the snake, and I'm kind of all right. She don't bite, right?
No, she doesn't bite.
Okay, cool.
So that's how you hold the snake.
All right, bye. Damn, she's moving.
When she moves, what you would do is you would just careful. It's okay.
Okay. What the hell? She don't bite. All right, she don't. All right, bye.
Just try not to let her go on your neck. So yeah. Here. And don't drop her.
All right, bye.
She's trying to squirm. So when she squirms, you just keep going with your hand. Like that. It feels weird, right?
It feels weird. We're like, oh, like what the hell is she doing? Why is she moving so fast? Like, relax.
Is this your first time holding a snake?
Yes,
That's really cool.
Relax, babe. Relax. Why is she moving like that? What the hell, bro? She looks like she bites.
She wants to. Nope, not around my neck.
Explore. What are you exploring? We're not going anywhere.
Careful.
We're not going anywhere. All right, this is gonna. Wait, how do I take my thumbnail? I'm gonna take a thumbnail, like me holding a snake. All right, that's good enough for a thumbnail.
Is it YouTube?
Yeah.
Not down there, Missy.
Yeah, look at this ugly bitch. I'm just saying, what the hell? You're a baddie. This is my snake. This is my baddie. What's her name?
I have no idea. They should say here.
Her name is Patricia.
Careful.
No, it's just scary. All right, I'm done holding a snake. Bye. Yo, you have a whole big ass turtle back there. Look at that turtle. All right. Okay, bye. That was my first time ever holding a snake and last time.